When it comes to choosing the right tires for your vehicle, it's not just about finding a set that fits, it's about understanding how they perform in different conditions. The debate between all-season tires and summer tires is one that many drivers face, especially when trying to balance safety, performance, and versatility. In this video, we'll explore the key differences between these two types of tires, so you can make an informed decision based on your driving needs and the climate you face. Performance and grip. One of the most significant distinctions between all-season tires and summer tires is their performance in different weather conditions. Summer tires are specifically designed for optimal performance in warm weather. With a soft rubber compound, they offer superior grip and handling on both dry and wet roads. Their tread patterns are optimized to channel water away, reducing the risk of hydroplaning during summer storms. However, summer tires become less effective as temperatures drop, losing their grip when the thermometer falls below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius. All-season tires, on the other hand, are built to provide adequate performance year-round, regardless of the weather. They offer decent handling and grip in dry, wet, and even light snowy conditions. While they don't match the precision and performance of summer tires in warm weather, they strike a balance by being more versatile across a broader temperature range. However, the trade-off is that all-season tires often compromise in extreme summer or winter conditions, where they can't quite match the specialized performance of summer or winter tires.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Tread design and longevity. The tread design plays a crucial role in how these tires perform. Summer tires feature fewer grooves and sipes, which increases their surface area for better contact with the road. This results in more precise steering, better acceleration, and improved braking in warm weather. The focus on performance, however, means that summer tires tend to wear out faster, especially if used year-round or in colder conditions. All-season tires, in contrast, have a more aggressive tread pattern with deeper grooves and more sipes. This design enables them to handle a variety of weather conditions, from rain-soaked roads to light snow. The more robust tread pattern typically means that all-season tires have a longer lifespan than summer tires, as they're designed to endure a wider range of conditions. But with that longevity comes a slight decrease in high-performance handling, particularly when compared to summer tires. Temperature range and adaptability. Temperature plays a huge role in tire performance. Summer tires are ideal for warm climates, where temperatures stay above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Their soft rubber compound gives them exceptional traction in these conditions, but this same softness can cause them to become too rigid in colder temperatures, making them less safe. All-season tires, as the name suggests, are built for versatility across a wide range of temperatures. They can handle both warm and cooler conditions, making them a more practical choice for drivers who live in regions with mild winters, but don't want the hassle of switching between summer and winter tires. However, when temperatures soar or dip below freezing, all-season tires can't perform at the same level as season-specific tires. Who should choose which? If you live in an area with consistent warm weather and value maximum performance, summer tires are the clear choice. They provide excellent handling, grip, and control in warm conditions, making them ideal for enthusiasts or anyone who enjoys spirited driving. On the other hand, if you live in a region with changing seasons but don't face extreme winter conditions, all-season tires offer a more practical solution. They allow you to drive confidently throughout the year without the need to swap tires every season. However, if you experience heavy snow or icy roads in the winter, pairing all-season tires with winter tires might be a better solution. Outro. Ultimately, the decision between all-season tires and summer tires comes down to your specific driving conditions and preferences. Whether you prioritize versatility or performance, choosing the right tires is crucial to ensuring safety and an enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for watching and drive safe.